Today we are taking a close look at the 2026 Volvo XC60, a luxury midsize SUV that continues Volvo's tradition of blending safety, comfort, and Scandinavian design while quietly pushing technology forward. The XC60 has always been a strong all-rounder, and for 2026, Volvo refines the formula rather than reinventing it, focusing on smarter tech, improved efficiency, and an even more premium feel. Starting with the design, the 2026 XC60 looks familiar at first glance, but the details tell a different story. The exterior has been subtly sharpened, with cleaner lines and a more confident stance. The front fascia features a revised grille design that feels more modern and integrated, paired with Volvo's signature Thor's hammer LED headlights that now offer improved brightness and smarter adaptive lighting. Around the sides, the proportions remain balanced and elegant rather than aggressive, which suits the XC60's luxury-first personality. New wheel designs and updated paint options help keep the look fresh without chasing trends too hard. At the rear, the vertical LED taillights remain a Volvo hallmark, but they are now slightly darker and more sculpted, giving the SUV a more refined presence at night. Overall, the design speaks to drivers who want something tasteful and upscale rather than flashy, and that restraint is part of the XC60's appeal. Step inside, and this is where the 2026 model really shines. The cabin feels calm, clean, and thoughtfully designed. Volvo continues to use high-quality materials throughout, including soft-touch surfaces, open-pore wood trims, and recycled textiles that reflect the brand's sustainability focus. Everything feels solid and well put together, and there is a noticeable absence of clutter. The dashboard is dominated by a large vertical touchscreen that runs the latest version of Volvo's Google-based infotainment system. This means built-in Google Maps, Google Assistant, and access to apps from the Play Store, all working smoothly without needing to connect your phone. The interface is responsive and more intuitive than before, with improved menus and voice control that actually understands natural speech. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are also included for those who prefer their phone's ecosystem. The digital instrument cluster is clear and customizable, showing navigation, driver assistance information, and driving data in a clean layout. Ambient lighting adds a soft glow at night, enhancing the relaxed atmosphere rather than overwhelming the senses. Comfort is another area where the XC60 excels. The seats are supportive and plush, making long drives easy on the body. Volvo's ergonomic expertise really shows here, especially on higher trims that offer heating, ventilation, and massage functions. Rear seat passengers get generous legroom and headroom for this class, and the cargo area is practical and well-shaped, easily handling everyday errands or weekend trips. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Volvo XC60 offers a range of powertrain options designed to balance power, efficiency, and refinement. The lineup is expected to focus heavily on electrified engines, including mild hybrid and plug-in hybrid variants. These systems are designed to deliver smooth acceleration while reducing fuel consumption and emissions. The plug-in hybrid version is particularly impressive. It allows for a significant amount of all-electric driving, making short daily commutes possible without using any fuel at all. When the gasoline engine and electric motor work together, the XC60 delivers confident acceleration that feels effortless rather than aggressive. Power comes on smoothly, and the SUV never feels strained, even when merging onto highways or overtaking slower traffic. On the road, the XC60 prioritizes comfort and stability over sporty sharpness. The suspension is tuned to absorb bumps and rough surfaces with ease, creating a composed ride that feels well-suited to city streets and long highway journeys alike. Steering is light and predictable, making the vehicle easy to maneuver despite its size. All-wheel drive is available on many trims, improving traction and confidence in poor weather conditions. One of Volvo's strongest selling points has always been safety, and the 2026 XC60 continues to set a high standard. The SUV comes equipped with an extensive suite of driver assistance features as standard. These include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping aid, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and automatic emergency braking with pedestrian and cyclist detection. New for this model year are further refinements to Volvo's advanced safety systems. Improved sensors and software allow the XC60 to better predict potential hazards and respond more smoothly. The driver monitoring system can detect signs of fatigue or distraction and gently prompt the driver to stay alert. These features work quietly in the background, enhancing safety without feeling intrusive. Another unique selling point of the 2026 XC60 is Volvo's commitment to sustainability. Beyond the electrified powertrains, the company continues to reduce the environmental impact of its manufacturing and materials. Many interior components are made from recycled or renewable sources, and Volvo remains focused on its long-term goal of becoming a fully electric brand. Ownership experience is also part of the appeal. Volvo's over-the-air software updates mean the XC60 can receive new features, improvements, and bug fixes without a trip to the dealership. This helps the vehicle feel up to date even years after purchase. Combined with strong build quality and a reputation for longevity, the XC60 positions itself as a smart long-term investment rather than a short-term indulgence. In summary, the 2026 Volvo XC60 is not about chasing extremes. It does not try to be the sportiest SUV or the most futuristic-looking one on the road. Instead, it focuses on delivering a well-rounded, premium experience built around comfort, safety, and intelligent technology. For drivers who value calm confidence, thoughtful design, and modern efficiency, the XC60 remains one of the most compelling choices in the luxury midsize SUV segment.